Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So the number one question I get is, how do you print a cup, a full wrap in one take? So that is what this video tutorial is about today. Okay, so what I'm gonna start to do is make a full wrap. I'm just copy and pasting my design here, and I'm having them all connect until I have 3 rows. Okay, and then when I have my 3 rows, I know that the top 2 rows are going to be the top of my 40-ounce stainless steel cup, because that is the widest part of the cup. So it's going to take up 2 layers. So I'm highlighting those top 2 layers, and I'm going to input the speed that I would typically put for the top layers. And then I'm going to highlight my bottom row, and I'm going to adjust that to be slower because the laser head is further from the cup when it prints the bottom of the cup. Okay, and then these are just going to be my settings, general laser settings. I have it on the chuck, and we're going to go ahead and put our cup on the chuck. So I'm putting the chuck on the inside of the cup because I print all the way to the bottom of the lip of the cup, as it is a full wrap. Okay, now I'm going to bring my laser over. I also want to make sure that the tabs don't hit my laser head, and right now they do, so I'm going to go ahead and lift that just a little above those tabs. Okay, and in a minute I'm just going to show you my hack to ensure that when you're framing your cup that your wrap goes in a full circle. So specifically this wrap needs to connect because it ends in a half of a bowl, so it needs to connect with the half of the bowl on the opposite end of the wrap. So here I'm going to utilize this pencil to mark where the center of my laser hits, and I'm going to make sure it hits that line while I frame it so that I know that it starts and ends in the same place and that my print will connect perfectly. Okay, and when you're all set, you're going to go ahead and you're going to start the laser